Hey, this is more like about a 8.5 week update. It's called the 8 week update. I missed a 7 week. My wife's mother passed away, so we had to deal with that. It's probably windy on the microphone right now. Therapy's been going pretty good. I can now hit 120 degrees on my own, pulling it back, but I'm still only at 4 or 5 degrees, pushing straight down. But they put me at one time a week now, and I just have to do my exercise at home on my own. So it's doing pretty good. It still gets sore. Problem now more so is the exercises makes both my knees hurt. My new knee, of course, it's still working out, trying to get stronger because it's so weak. And then my other knee, which is stronger, but it's also bad. I used to call that my good knee. Now it's my bad knee, and but it hurts. So both my knees hurt basically from doing the exercises. Got to do all these squats and bending and stuff to strengthen up the quads and strengthen up and stretch out my calves and my hamstring. Couldn't think of the name of it. Hamstring. Because it's so tight. So, but I think it's getting a lot better. Just taking time, and I'm trying to walk as much as I can, just to keep it loosened up. Weird thing is even though I've got my new knee, I thought, all that popping and clicking and locking up that my old knee did, I could lock my knee and pop it back out and stuff like that from the joint being so messed up, bone on bone. But now my new metal knee, it just it makes all kind of, it's not like a painful. You just feel it popping and moving and clicking and whatever else. You kind of feel it in your body. You don't really hear it, but you feel it. And but I can kind of wiggle my knee back and forth, and my wife could hear it popping, like pop, 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 pop. But with the old knee, since it was bone on bone, it hurt doing all that. But now it's just you hear it and feel it, but it doesn't really hurt. It's just there. So anyway, it's getting there. Just have to keep plugging away. It's definitely the knee recovery from the knee is definitely a lot longer and worse than recovery from a hip replacement. And I still got later in the year to do the other one. So, but I wanted to throw a quick update out there. Hope you all are doing well. If you have any questions, just drop below. Sometimes I'm a little late seeing them, but I try to answer all the questions, even from old videos I made. So if you have any questions or you're going to go through it, I can tell you my experience. It might not be the same as yours, but I'll tell you what I went through. Anyway, y'all have a blessed day. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.